Every organization of any size has some simple workflows and some complex workflows. And when you automate these workflows in SharePoint, your SharePoint workflows can be as simple or as complex as your processes themselves are. You can create workflows that users launch themselves. You can also create workflows that start automatically when an item in a list or a library is created or changed. In general, when you create a workflow for SharePoint, you follow the same series of steps. First, you will choose the type of workflow you want to create. Second, you will use SharePoint Designer or some other workflow tool to construct the conditions and actions that define all the steps of the workflow so that it accurately describes the business process. With the workflow created and validated, you'll then save and publish this workflow so it's available to SharePoint. And then finally, you'll create some forms or perhaps customize forms that were automatically created as part of generating lists in SharePoint. Well-designed automated workflows provide great opportunities for efficiency and cost savings, and they take away some of the most boring work that anybody gets to do because you can build monitoring and reminders into your automated workflows. For example, we could have a reminder that said, "Don't forget that you need to review this presentation," that would be sent to all three of the people who need to review. You could also monitor whether or not the web page was actually created. You don't need to assign a person or team of people to monitor a SharePoint process. With a SharePoint workflow, the process is always proactively self-monitoring. When you turn your automated workflows over to SharePoint, the staff in your organization can focus on doing their work rather than simply monitoring and managing processes.